What's going on guys, Cube here. In today's video we are taking a look how you can getting this cool crop opening transition effect for your next project right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. I know I uploaded this video after a long time, maybe my last video uploaded 2 weeks ago. The reason is my exams are running and it is quite difficult for me to upload a video. The second reason is my microphone is broke, and as you notice last videos voiceover is not included. So now I got a new mic and promise I will upload it maybe a 2 video per week. So first of all, that's why I apologize for that before starting the video. And today we come back with another small concept of transitions, which is a crop opening concept transition. It is a quite easy, so it is a little bit a smaller video for all of you. So here we are right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, our world of imagination. So I have putting a video clip which I am downloading from Pixels video. Download link is also mentioned in the descriptions as always we do. First of all, you need to put an adjustment layer. We also work with an original footage, but the difficulty is we can't change anything if once we apply all the effect. So we can't doing anything with our original footage because it can't be changed, and that's why we also putting an adjustment layer. So we just create an adjustment layer and putting it in our timeline at the top of our original footage and make it larger as our footage is. Or we just select our adjustment layer, go to effects control. If this effects control is not appears there, some people don't have effects control appears in their main screen, so don't worry about it. Just go to the windows and here you will get an option of effects control. Make sure it will be checked. You need to go to the effects and here search crop, and now put crop under the transform. Put crop on your adjustment layer and the some options of crop appears in your effects control. You need to be going with a top and bottom because we want a crop opening transitions and it is obviously come from a top and a bottom, so we need to be put a top and bottom. We not change with the right or left, because if we work with a right or left, it just doing from left to right to left transitions. We just want a top to bottom, and that's why we're changing with the top and bottom. So we just putting a toggle animation top and bottom at the beginning of our footage, our adjustment layer, and make it to be 50% of top and bottom as well. So both are to be 50% and our footage is to be fully black. And now we just change our keyframes. Maybe our 3 keyframes is just enough for our transitions, and now we can be change our bottom percentage to 0 and top percentage to 0 as well. So here you can be see that our footage will be fully recovered and nothing will be happen. But when we will be move our cursor to back, and now we will play it, and as you can see a beautiful crop opening transition added in our footage in just 10 seconds. It's a quite easy method. A lot of people, lot of videographer use this method, so it is a quite easy way to putting a crop opening. If you want to be keep the black bars in your video, so there is a quite easy method. I'm just going to my second keyframes, and now I am changing the value bottom to 12 and top to 12 as well. So as the both values is to be 12, and as you can see that a black bar is still in our footage, and you can see again. And now the footage will be begin from the beginning of the video. Black bars will be opens from the beginning of the video, and at the end of the bars will be remain still in our footage. It will be not gone fully. So here is the video of today. I hope you will enjoy this video. If it, hit the like button, subscribe this channel, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Our channel will be hit 50k subscriber very soon, and we will doing some giveaway on this channel which will be very amazing. Thank you so much. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.